Today I am going to discuss about some architectural heritage. After watching the video, please go through the chapter. I have also provided some extra information apart from which is written in the book, which will help you to know more about its importance. Good morning students, here I am again with you all to continue from where I had left in my previous video. The Sanchi Stupa is located about 46 km away from Bhopal in a small place called Sanchi. Sanchi is a small village in Raisen district of the state of Madhya Pradesh in India. It is a religious place with historical and archaeological significance. It is the location of several Buddhist monuments. The place is famous for the stupas, which were built on the top of a hill. The Great Stupa at Sanchi is the oldest stone structure in India. It was originally commissioned by the Emperor Ashoka the Great. It has 4 profusely carved ornamental gateway and a balustrade encircling the whole structure. The Great Stupa at Sanchi is one of the oldest stone structures in India. It is an important monument of Indian architecture. The Emperor Ashoka ordered it to be built in the 3rd century BCE. Its center was a simple dome like brick structure built over the relic of the Buddha. It was crowned by the Chhatra, a parasol-like structure symbolizing high rank. This structure was intended to honor and shelter the relics. The original construction work of this stupa was overseen by Ashoka, whose wife Devi was a daughter of a merchant of nearby Vidisha. Sanchi was her birthplace as well as the place of her wedding with Ashoka. The Sanchi Stupa, built during Mauryan period, was made of bricks. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century sun temple at Konark in Odisha, India. It is believed that the temple was built by the king Narasimha Deva. The temple complex is in the shape of gigantic chariot having elaborately carved stone wheels, pillars and walls. A major part of the structure is now in ruins. The temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has also featured on various lists of 7 wonders of India. The temple is 35 km from Puri and 65 km from Bhubaneswar. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal needs no introduction. This monument is on the list of the 7 wonders of the world. No wonder people swarm in flies all year around to witness the magnificency of his beauty. This monument is located in India in the city of Agra in Uttar Pradesh. In other words, Taj Mahal marks the excellence of Mughal architecture. Taj Mahal is one of the main reasons why India is famous. Many people even associate India with Taj Mahal. However, to me, more than the splendid architecture, it is the story behind it that appeals to me the most. This magnificent beauty stands strong as a symbol of the love of a husband to his wife. The renowned Taj Mahal was brought to life by the vision of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. He got this monument built for her beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal after she passed away. To honor the memory of his loving wife, Shah Jahan ordered the finest artisans from all over the world to build it. He wanted to make something that had never been done before for anyone. The emperor wished to give the last gift to his wife, whom he loved very much. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is one of the most famous temples of South India. It is built in the Dravidian style. The temple houses the wife of Lord Shiva, Meenakshi. The temple is a double shrine, one dedicated to Meenakshi and the other to her consort, built inside a large shrine. The main temple is enclosed in a wall about 850 feet by 725 feet, and at the center of each wall is a gopura, which is a distinctive feature of Dravidian temple architecture. The main entrance is by the eastern gateway, which communicates with a fine pillared avenue 200 feet long and about 100 feet wide. That's all for today. Thank you, children.